Hello there. Thank you for replying back so quickly. Now, I have to admit, I'm feeling really tired right now, but I wanted to communicate with you. The reason for being tired is I drove for 3 hours. I'm in Utah, and I drove for 3 hours to get up to the state of Idaho, and we filmed for about 10 hours today, and then I drove back, and it's now about 10:30 at night, and I'm feeling really tired. I don't work on Sundays, so I wanted to just make this video to communicate with you and tell you a little bit about what you'd be doing as a video editor. So what we're looking at on the screen here, this is a brand new channel, brand new as of just a few months ago. We post 5 videos per week, and so it's relatively small. We've only got 447 subscribers. We're only getting below 100 views on each video, but the content is really good, and this is a long-term play. Now let me show you another channel. I'm logged in as Limitless. So this is, to contrast, this is our biggest channel. We're up to 61,000 subscribers on this one. That's the back of my head there and my camera setup, but this is Chris. And we film lots of videos on investing in real estate and creating wealth and money and finance and whatnot. And so this channel is actually doing pretty well, generating lots of leads, and it's a very successful channel. And so you will be an editor on these 2 channels that I showed you and several others. And we have a very step-by-step process. We edit in Adobe Premiere, and let me just show you our Trello boards. So we start with Editor 1, and Editor 1 does a rough cut. You can see there's a whole list of videos here, not counting the ones that were filmed yesterday or today by me and that will be filmed next week. These are all ones that are in the queue for the rough cut. And we have you'll learn all the step-by-steps of what the rough cut entails, but it's basically just putting it all together, syncing the audio, and doing a rough cut. After that it goes to Editor 2, and there's nothing on the board here, but anyway, this is where the fine cut is done, and then for Editor 3, this is where the text effects are added, and any final tweaks that need to be done are made here. And then the video actually goes to another person for video approval, and then it goes to our YouTube prep team where thumbnail design is done and transcription is done on YouTube, and we do the final tweaks on the keyword research. We do keyword research ahead of time before we even film, but then we do some reverse engineering on keyword research after the video has been created, and we have a whole step-by-step system. So you'll be editing in Adobe Premiere. We'll give you access to the Adobe Creative Cloud, and I'm very interested to know and to see some examples of videos that you've edited, as well as After Effects that you've done. Now you can come and review. Let me just see if there's a good example. So feel free to come. Well, here's a text effect. So we use just little text effects throughout. Yeah, here's a couple. And there should be another one come up right shortly after that one. Okay, so text effects like that. So let me know your experience in creating that, in using After Effects in combination with Premiere. We use another tool called frame.io, where we review things and comment on the videos and give each other feedback and whatnot. And so we have a whole system that you'll plug into, and you'll be a part of a team doing editing work on these YouTube videos. So the way that I want you to apply, I mentioned one thing. I'd like to see links to a portfolio where you can show me some of your work, both in Premiere video editing and in After Effects. And I mean, the work that you show me doesn't have to have been done in Premiere, but I do want to know that you are familiar with Premiere. Let me know about that. And then if you can also make me a video. Now this might seem odd, but just like I'm making a video and talking to you, maybe you have a camera on your phone and you can just take a selfie video and talk to me. I'm not looking for this to be professionally edited or anything like that. This video is just a real quick record and just to talk with me and share with me your experience in video editing and why you think that you'd be a good fit for this position. And that's it. So just talk to me for a few minutes. Talk to me about your experiences, how you've overcome challenges, about your work ethic, about your dependability, and those type of things. And that's how I, more than getting a resume or something like that, I like to see things visually, and would love to get a video application from you that way. And then in that same email, just include links to videos that you've done or your portfolio, and that'll be great. Trying to think. Let me know any other questions you have. I apologize, I'm tired. I don't work on Sundays, but Monday morning, which is Monday evening your time, I'll be able to resume communication with you, and my hope is to get you started right away. We've got plenty of videos that we could get you started full time right away. So let me know your availability, and we'll go from there.